If you're considering investing in an AI content suite, there are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making that decision, especially if you're comparing it to other tools out there. Stick around till the end for a better option. The first thing you need to consider is simplicity. Many AI tools on the market try to do too much, which ends up complicating the process. Unlike others, the Genju AI platform is designed for businesses in Malta and focuses on making things easy. It automates tasks like appointment booking, messaging, invoicing, and even review acquisition, all in one place. Next thing is pricing. Some competitors offer hefty subscription fees with long-term commitments. Genju AI stands out by offering a 7-day free trial with no contracts, allowing you to test out all the features risk-free. This way, you can see if it fits your needs before you commit. The third thing is integration. Many AI tools struggle with integrating smoothly into your existing business processes. Genju AI was specifically created to integrate seamlessly with local systems in Malta, meaning it adapts quickly to your existing workflows, saving you time. The fourth thing you should know is focus on efficiency. While some platforms are bloated with features you may never use, Genju AI keeps it simple by focusing on high-impact tasks that truly drive business growth. This means you get better results faster without spending hours learning complex systems. The fifth thing is support and customer service. It can be difficult to find responsive support with larger AI platforms. With Genju AI, you get dedicated support for businesses in Malta, ensuring that you always have help when you need it. Next, let's talk about data security. Many AI tools collect sensitive data, but not all platforms are transparent about how they handle it. Genju AI takes data privacy seriously and complies with local regulations, ensuring your business's information stays protected. The seventh thing is customization options. Many tools lock you into rigid templates. Genju AI allows for greater customization, so you can tailor its features to fit your unique needs, making it a more flexible option than some competitors. The eighth thing to consider is reliability. With AI tools, uptime matters. Genju AI is known for its consistent performance, minimizing disruptions and ensuring that your business operations continue without hitches. You won't experience the frustrating downtime that can come with larger, less focused AI platforms. The ninth thing is automation capabilities. Many AI suites claim to automate everything but fall short in execution. Genju AI delivers on its promises by automating key tasks such as follow-ups, review acquisition, and invoicing, all designed to save you time and reduce manual work. Next is ease of use. If you've tried other AI tools, you know that user interfaces can be a nightmare. Genju AI is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for business owners to navigate, even if they don't have a technical background. The 11th thing to consider is scalability. As your business grows, you'll need a tool that can scale with you. Unlike other platforms that require constant upgrades or add-ons, Genju AI grows with your business, handling increased tasks and complexity without missing a beat. And finally, support for Maltese businesses. If you're based in Malta, you're probably aware that many international AI tools don't cater to local needs. Genju AI was built specifically for Maltese businesses, meaning it's tailored for your market, which is something you won't get from most competitors. So, is Genju AI a good option? Absolutely. It's a great choice if you're looking for a simple, efficient, and cost-effective AI content suite. But if you're looking for a better solution with even more tailored features, check out our recommended platform that you can try for free.